Now let's have a look at the steps we'd need to manufacture goods. We're going to be using the scenario of a brewing process. Now one of the first steps in setting up the production module is to configure your products. So in the product record, you're first going to select what products are components. A component basically means it can be used in a finished product. In our brewing process, we can see that we're going to put this brew into bottles. So our bottles product is a component. Anything else that is needing to go into that brew would also need to be a component, such as our grains. Do note that these component products can be serialized and batch tracked. Now of course we need to select the product that is going to be the finished product. So it's an assembled product. Here's an example of our dry stout. It's a finished product, so it's assembled. Do note that these assembled products can be serialized and batch tracked. Now some assembled products can be set to auto-assemble. So what this basically means is during the sales process, an assembly is created behind the scenes and it is perfect for kit setting. There is a rule here: you cannot have an auto-assembled product that is serialized or batch tracked, simply because you need to pop in the new serial number or batch number of the finished product. For example, here we've got a product that is made up of 12 bottles. Now we sell the bottles individually, so we have an individual bottle product. We also sell them in boxes of 12. So we've got the box of 12 product here. It's auto-assembled because we simply just gather those bottles together and sell them. We can also create layers of assemblies. So if you've got a product that is assembled on site and it's also used as a component in another finished product, we can build layers of assemblies. So you can check both assembled and component. For example, we have our American IPA. It's assembled on site and then we use that as part of a sampler pack with a whole variety of brews. Now that we've got all of our products configured, the next process is to create a bill of materials. This is basically a list of component products that need to go into this finished product. Let's say a recipe. Let's take a look at how this is created. So in Unleashed, you go into Production, Bill of Materials, and Add Bill of Materials. From here, in the product code, type in the product that we're going to be making the recipe for today, or the bill of materials. Now we're ready to add in those components. So all of the raw materials that are going to go into this particular dry stout. I find the product by the product code, and then I pop in the quantities needed per assembly. This could be whole numbers, or as you can see, it could be a couple of decimal places. Add in as many products as you like. Now note, not all of our products are showing up on this component list. It's only those that are marked with component on the product details. As you're adding these products in, you can also add in wastage to calculate the margin of error. You can do it at the bill of materials level. You can also change it during the assembly process. Once I've got all of my components added, I can click Save. Now I have my recipe. And underneath View Bill of Materials, I can see all of our recipes, bill of materials, that we can utilize.